Shall we discuss The Merchant of Venice, which is written by William Shakespeare, Act 2, Scene 8. In the last classes, we had been already discussed Scene 6, 7, and today we shall discuss Scene 8. So, without any delay, let us begin the class. First of all, before starting the class, I will let you know the gist of this scene. So, here in this scene, Shylock discovers the elopement of his daughter with a Christian and her theft of gold and jewels while fleeing. Okay, this intensifies his hatred for Christians and his desire for revenge. Salerno and Selenio talk about a shipwreck and hope that it is not of Antonio's. This scene further highlights Antonio's love for Bassanio as he bid farewell to him with tearful eyes. So these things we shall discuss in these lines. Let us begin the line. Here you can see in this scene that is started in a street. Here enter Salarino and Selenio. So the first speech is of Selenio. What he says, "Why man I saw Bassanio under sail. With him is Greciano gone along, and in their ship I am sure Lorenzo is not." So this is the conversation of these two friends, okay, Celerino and Selenius. He's saying that I saw Bassanio that his sail gone away, and with him Greciano also present in the same ship, and he was sure that Lorenzo was not present in the ship where they both were. Okay, then Serenio says, "The villain Jew without cries raises the Duke, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship." That he's talking about a Jew who is Shylock, that he was somewhere very anger. He outcries and raised the Duke, and he went with the Duke where to search of Bassanio's ship, that whether there Lorenzo and Jessica is present or not. Now, what it says, Selenio. He came too late. The ship was under sail, but there the Duke was given to understand that in a gondola means small ship, okay, a small ship, and whether you can see that the flat bottomed boat, that is used generally used for the canals of Venice. So they both were seen where in a gondola, Jessica and uh, Lorenzo. Okay, so he told that they came, but they came very late because when they came, the ship was under sail. But the Duke was informed that they both were seen in that gondola. Okay, who that Lorenzo and his armorous Jessica. Armorous means loving Jessica. Clear? Now, besides, Antonio certified the Duke they were not with Bassanio in his ship, and also Antonio, who also make the Duke assure that they means they both lovers were not be where in Bassanio's ship. So that is confirmed that they both have in different boats. One is in boat and one is in ship. Now Selenio, I never heard a passion so confused, so strange, outrageous, and so variable. So here is talking about Shylock. Okay, Selenio is talking about Shylock that I never heard a passion. The passion which is very confused. The passion which is very strange, outrageous, and variable. Variable means frequently changing, because he was crying sometimes for his daughter and sometimes for his ducat and also sometimes for his revenge. So these three things can be seen in this passion. That is why it is very variable. So again they says that as the dog Jew, they are talking him as the dog Jew, did utter in the streets, my daughter, oh my ducats, my daughter fled with a Christian, oh my Christian ducats. So this line is told by uh, Shiloh, as here he's saying that he was somewhere crying for his daughter, for his ducats, and also for his revenge. He says, he fled with a Christian, oh my Christian ducats. Now again he says that, okay, just wait. Okay. Again he says, fled with a Christian, oh my Christian ducat, that his own daughter who fled with Lorenzo, who was a Christian. So now that ducats also belongs to a Christian. Now his rage, his outrage, his revenge is somewhere intensified by these lines. Clear? Now again he says, justice, the law, my ducats and my daughter. A sealed bag, two sealed bags of duchess. Now he's asking for justice, the king, the duke, and he says that a sealed bag. He fled with a sealed bag. Sealed bag means where there is money. Okay. Now the money is somewhere safe as they sealed the bag. Two sealed bags of, not only one but two sealed bags of duchess. Oh, double duchess. Here, students, double duchess means there seems to have been two kinds of ducats, one being double the value of the other. Okay, so that is why the ducats who have the value of two ducats. So that is why of double ducats is stolen from my by my daughter. Okay, so all these things who has stolen my own daughter. And jewels, two stones, two rich and precious stones stolen by not only these ducats but also all the jewels and two stones, two rich and precious stone. And she hath the stones upon her, and the ducat means everything what is very valuable in my house she has taken away. Now Salarino says, why all the boys in Venice follow him? Salarino, they both were teasing and saying that why all the boys, when he was outcries like this in the Venice, in the street of Venice, so all the boys in the street of Venice, they follow him and they were crying that his stone, his daughter, and his ducats. Selenio says, let good Antonio look, he keep his day. Means let good Antonio looks he keeps his debt, that he should be very very clear and careful for the bond or the warning has been given by uh, Shiloh. Then Silvanus says, very well remember that I reasoned with a Frenchman yesterday. Reasoned means I talked. I talked with a Frenchman yesterday who told me that in the narrow seas that part, the French and English, they're miscarried. Okay, I talked and I got to know that in English Channel where the ships are to be met, okay, there what happened? A narrow seas means the English Channel part. There what happened? The part means separated, that English Channel, that part which is separated, where one vessel, okay, vessel means ship, so a ship was miscarried. What types of ship? Of our country, that is richly fraught means laden. Okay, here fraught means laden, Laden. So the of our country ship that is completely forged laden. So I thought of Antonius when he told me these things, and I wished in silence, I wished when I alone, that it were not of his. It means that ship must not be of our friend Antonio. But I thought, just I heard it. Selenio, you were you were best to tell Antonio what you hear, yet not do not suddenly, for it may grieve him. Okay, whatever you have heard, you should say all the things to Antonio, but do not say suddenly, because that will give him somewhere, a bad news. So he will become upset. Now, Celerino. Now they are talking about Antonio, his behavior and how much kind person he is. So he's saying that a kinder gentleman treads not to the earth. Okay, Antonio is a kinder gentleman, more than kind. He said that I saw Bassanio and Antonio part when they were being departed. I saw them. Bassanio told him he would make sure some speed of his return, and he answered. He told that I'm going there, where in Belmont, but I will complete my work very hastily, and I will return soon. He says, don't do not so means do not do so. Don't make speed. Don't make haste. Slumber not your business. Okay, he's saying that slumber not your business means do not rush through your business carelessly. Okay, do not rush your business carelessly, but stay the very ripening of the time. The very ripening of the time means stay there until the time is ripe, and until the right moment you should be there, and then after you can take care of the work for what you are going there. But stay the very wrapping of the time, and for the Jews bond which he hath of me, let not enter in your mind of love. Whatever the bond, it should not become to your mind. Okay, be merry, be happy, and employ all your chiefest thought to courtship and such fair ostent of love. Ostent of love means display all the things on that particular work for you, for that you are going there, as shall conveniently, because you're there. And even there, his eyes being big tears, and turning his face, he put his hand behind him with affection wondrous sensible. He wrung Bassanio's hand, and so they departed. So while saying these things, Antonio's eyes were completely filled with tear. Okay, his eyes become ball, and then it filled with the tear. He as soon as he felt tears in his eyes, he turned his face and then put his hand, Bassanio's hand, with the great affection, and then he rang. Ranged means, now you can see that ranged means he clasped his hand, and then after, in this way they parted. So in this way we can see that Antonio is a very kindful person. Celerino, I think he only loves the world for him. Means Bassanio is all for Antonio. I pray thee, let us go and find him, and quicken his embarrassed happiness. So let us go, and then we will hug him tightly, so that whatever that grief thought and he was upset, so that becomes that gloomy thought change into delight. Okay, so we will make him happy. And then Celerino says, yes, do we so, means yes, we will do like that. So in this way, students, now the scene is over. All the things what I explained you is given in scene number 8, and in today's class we shall finish here. In the next class I will explain you scene 9 of act 2. Till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.